One mistake can shut down the base. Here's how to prevent it. You don't need to press a big red button to cause a major incident. Sometimes it's just a careless click. Let's set the scene. A contractor plugs in a personal USB stick to print some paperwork. It's quick, convenient, and probably safe. But that one device was infected. Now maintenance schedules are scrambled. Sensitive files are exposed, and the base is locked down while teams scramble to contain the breach. Cyber incidents don't just affect IT. They threaten operational capability. Ships don't sail. Submarines don't move. Crews can't deploy. And when a base goes dark, it's not just local. It's national. Critical timelines slip. Readiness suffers. And adversaries watch closely. Let's make this super simple. 1. Every person on base is part of the operational chain, including you. 2. The Navy's digital systems are interconnected. One weak link impacts the whole. 3. A small security slip-up can trigger massive disruptions to ships, submarines, or strategic assets. 4. You're not just protecting information. You're protecting capability. 5. Your personal habits have national consequences. Treat them like your kit, sharp, clean, and mission-ready. Why this will make you and the base hard to hack? When you think of cybersecurity as part of mission readiness, you stop seeing it as admin. You start seeing it for what it really is. Operational discipline. Next up, spies, hackers, and rogue insiders. Why they want our secrets. See you in the next video.